Dr. Jane Morton conducted a landmark study on mothers with premature babies and found when they used their hands as well as the pump to express milk, they pumped about 48% more milk than the pump alone could remove and experienced increased milk production for the entire 8 weeks of the study. Their milk fat content was nearly double the average as well. Hi, my name is Luna with Legendary Milk, and today we're chatting about one technique that is proven to increase your pump output. If you're new to this channel and want to stay in the loop every time we post helpful breastfeeding tips and tricks, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Now, this technique is called hands-on pumping, and it can be used by any mom who wants to improve her pump output or increase her milk production. It works because hands-on pumping helps to drain your breasts more fully, and drained breasts make milk faster than full breasts. You'll start with a bit of gentle breast massage. Before you start pumping, spend a minute or two doing gentle circular motions like kneading or rolling. Start from the back of the breast and work your way toward the nipple, paying extra attention to any lumpy areas. Massage should be very gentle with a light touch or stroking of the breast, including underneath and into your armpit area. More pressure or digging into your chest tissue can actually cause damage and restrict milk flow, so be gentle with your breasts. Now you are primed and ready for milk flow. You'll want to get a really supportive, hands-free pumping bra. Once you start pumping, you'll switch to hand compressions so as not to break the suction of your flanges. The actual technique of what's going to work best for you will take a bit of trial and error. Feel for areas of breast firmness and watch for sprays in the flange to guide you in where to gently squeeze and stroke. Compress and hold, moving your hands around the different quadrants of your breasts. Gently stroke from the tops of your breasts toward the flange. Using your hands while pumping helps move more milk down towards the areola and nipple. Also, fat molecules in your milk tend to be sticky and can move through the milk ducts a little bit slower. So using your hands to massage and compress as you pump moves that fattier milk down more effectively than relying on just the suction of your breast pump. Keep in mind that once your milk stops flowing, you can always stop pumping, do another minute or two of breast massage, and then resume pumping. And here's my favorite part. After you're done pumping, hand express for just a few minutes. It can literally strip those last creamy drops of milk, and you might be shocked to see how much milk remained after pumping. Our free guide with even more tips on how to increase milk supply while pumping is linked below in the description. Thanks for watching, and report back if hands-on pumping works for you.